Doon na, Dre.
Oh, tubag. Moto.
Pangalan sa motor? Pangalan. Kalimot sa siya pangalan. Kawasaki daw yung pangalan. Pangalan ni mo, ma'am. Ano pangalan?
Joy from Switzerland.
Okay, Joy from
His
Switzerland. Thank you, ma'am. Correct answer is President Duterte is very fond of, he's well known for an enthusiast of motorcycles and has been spotted riding his bikes even during his presidency. Microphone. Okay, lost and found. Kay kinsa man ning kuan, cord. Okay. Okay, no problem.
Atawag ka niya. Eh, mo kayo nalagyan lang ng busy.
Grabe, nakapila po kami dito sa libreng ice.
Okay, next question ta. Duwa na lang nino. So, next question is,
I'm in a queue for ice cream.
asa
So I'll be good for it.
gipanganak si PRRD?
Time.
Asin Southern Leyte.
Time sa oras, minutos, adlaw, isulti. Sige, isugid ang tanan.
Kadlaw.
Unsang oras sa kasar kadlawon?
Alauna, I'm sure.
Sakto ba, day?
I'm gonna need some sun cream. I
Sige,
should have
sakto na
really,
lang.
Sakto na lang, ma'am.
Sakto na lang, ma'am. Kaya marang madali.
Mas masuko ka rin nagkabubalik dire.
Basig
Ibas na yun mo.
maingon na kag fake news maninduha ka mga kuan din ha.
Okay, last question. Pila kabuo ka anak ni PRRD? Ano, daog na dyan ang classmate ni Turi. Naka-answer na siya, ma'am. Ano din yung pangalan?
The question is how many children Duterte has?
4.
That's too much.
Ruth! Tay, uwi ka na!
From?
Switzerland.
Okay.
But
Cameron from
She's
Switzerland. Thank
faster
you,
than
ma'am.
you.
So, balik ang tao niya. O
7
games
is
kay.
too much.
Kuan, balik sa mo kuha sa ice cream kay mangita sa tanda lahi nga price, no?
Sige. Paglinya
So,
sa
storya sa ka.
Sige, magyawit na po muna rin. Magyawit na po ta mga day. Huwag aba mo nga paig sa init, day. Hinaot na kapamanjus mo sa inyong mga hulagway o sunblock, day. Bagnosis sa inyong naong, day, o sunblock. Karong di ninyo, pasinugma, day, di na mo makita o alas cities gabi, day, kaya pagtong na ta. O, naglagay-lagay na ba kayo ng ano nyo, day, sa mukha-mukha nyo, day? Nilagyan nyo ba na yung pagmumukha nyo, yung mga kapal mo na mukha natin ba? Nalagyan na ba natin ng kanang sunblock? Kaya baka mapaig tayo, mukha tayong sinugbang tulingang dubog pagkatapos ng kapok-tapok natin ngayon. Hoy, reminder sa lahat ba, ha? Sa mga naglinya dag ice cream, hinaot lang nga nakapaniud to na mo. Kay mabugnawan in juktiyan, yawa mo'y kaon, pas mo ang resulta. Di la padul-dul diri ang higtan kuno. Lahi beg higtan diri. Uy, kamanday. Sila po nasa loob.
Ang mga nakailasaw na mo.
I'm glad I came along now, you know.
Hoy, sa mga wala pa nakadto sa Bujol, nga ang kabadyo dito, punti ka dyan dyan. O magpa-picture sa dali. Sige, sige. Libre pa ako pa-picture na. Sana nga nila. Doble na dyan. Wapay pang ice water. Ako pa-picture na lahat. Kita dyan. Hoy, okay ra dyan na. Baski pag himol, tinyog alalay. Pwede na dyan kayo na. Hit siya gamay anak. Makayagan dyan na makarataan niya. Wala na naninibitar diri. Pwede pusto na lang nako, ti. Pwede ako na lang kwartahon pamiliti. Oh, hi guys sa mga...
I'm glad I came along now. I wasn't sure if it was worth me coming, but I'm so glad I came.
Good.
Yeah, I've enjoyed it. I'm tired, but I enjoyed
You
it.
can see it. It's,
Yeah.
it's difficult to stay awake.
That's my challenge, to stay awake for the rest of the day.
So how many hours you're awake now? Roughly?
Since yesterday
Since
morning.
yesterday. That's not good.
But give or take 10 or so minutes
Wow.
power nap. You know, as the plane landed, I was kind of like that. Yeah.
Oh, 20 minutes power nap. That,
Yeah.
that helps.
Yeah. But you know, I guess it's adrenaline, isn't it? That keeps you kind
That
of going.
keeps you going, yeah.
And I've got the Sunday to rest, so when I get back to London about 10 o'clock in the morning, I'm just going to sleep for the day.
You will skip the Sunday.
Yeah, I'll skip
You
the
won't be
Sunday.
there.
No, I'll skip the Sunday.
You wake up on Monday. Damn, I lost
Yeah,
today.
exactly. And I have like a week before I start my new job, which is good.
Oh, wow,
So-
good job. Good
Well,
challenge.
it's okay. It's at least it's a
What
job.
job?
Just working in a hospital.
Okay. Oh, all right. Yeah, to stay awake.
Yeah, probably. Well, I'm gonna go tonight. I'm gonna go somewhere. Whether it's get some food, I don't know, but I'll go somewhere tonight. How are you? I'm not going to do that only because I'm not a big fan of that. So, but thank you anyway. But we'll get a picture together. Yeah, no, I'd rather not, but we'll get a photo together. So just because I'm not really a big thing into autographs and stuff, but certainly we'll get a picture together, and certainly I like your hat, so I'll post it. Yeah. Let me do it with my camera. Can you just hold this because I'm just trying to keep this going? So if you could just keep this,
Alright.
just so that while we thanks.
Okay, sir. Ako'y ano, day.
Ingon siya humot ka na po. Pero ilog na dahil sa kapangtawa.
Alright, sir. Thank you, sir.
Right, Salama. Thank you. Just send it to my Facebook account, MALCOLM. And then CONLAM. MALCOLM. No. Go back. MALCO.
Naglibog na mo sa akong tabi diri.
That's great.
Nalibog na mo sa akong tabi sa kadaghanan ng
You need to do your shirt on your
Naghawa
back.
akong
I
bukton.
can start saying much, shouldn't I? Really?
Tinahawiya sa bukton ng mga picture na wala
She
itulong.
wanted me to autograph. I'm not going to do that. Just 'cause
How
I don't
can
feel
you
comfortable.
magpa-picture
Because
na
I'm not a
may
celebrity.
itulong?
You know, I'm supporting the president. I'm not here to.
Unya ka nang
do anything other than
manggahit
support
tong
the
angat
president,
smile
you
ng
know.
picture na wala itulong.
But I understand
Pero
it's
may
part of
itulong
this
lami kay
Filipino
isa ang bukton. Lami kay mo smile basta nang itulol. Oy bitaw oy kanang mapasalamaton jud kayo ming tanan nga naa diri nga bawang gikural man mi diri day. Anong ginasuod mo sa kural day? Wa mo
Aztec,
tag-isa,
yeah,
day.
she's fine. Thank you so much for
Ikural mi.
asking.